back up here. Saturday morning. Favourite day of the week. Kettle's on. It's only about 6:30. But I'm back at work tonight, so I want to be in bed early tonight. So I've got up early. Anyway, first apologies for that video yesterday. We got invaded by aliens, I think. Two cobras. Anyway, I brought this veg up here yesterday, but in there we had this as a cupboard for just putting food in there, really. But we used it last year for the veg. Oh, that's got a bit cold, isn't it? Yeah, seems okay. So it's like insulated inside this. We had it in there, but I don't know whether to move it in there. I might be, because that is a bit warmer actually. I'll move that in there in a bit. Anyway, so that's what we were doing yesterday. We didn't do a lot more, did we? We've got some of them bulbs there for planting here. They're all different ones. Just all the different bulbs. And one of my nephews come up yesterday. He was on a job and that was in the garage, told him to clear it out, so he cleared it up to our house. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to be doing today, but I'll find something, and as soon as I know, you know, about 2 minutes later. Oh, it's cold out there. Not too red hot in here. Have that brew and a fag, and I think I'll see you in a bit. Busy. Get loads done me when I come on early Saturday morning. And I've got time for a sit down a chin wag after. Now these carrots outside. I've just found that, I forgot about it behind Mac. It's a cabin window. But I've just put that on there just to help that germination a bit. Forgot all about it, I should have done that the other day. But that's on anyway. I'll be tidying up round here ready for that pumpkin. All the tables and that's gone now. All them windows. Because I'm looking for a big tub similar to that, but yeah, put that table over there, put them plant pots on with all them bulbs and tulips and all that stuff. And all the ones there. All the glasses together here. Just have to tidy up down there. But I need a big bucket. Here's Ken. Morning! No monkeys in your pocket?
No, they're all hanging up the brew room.
Good, right, brew time. Well, there's Ken off at Bookies. I'm back in our winners. I've just got some compost from shop. I was here. And I've got these potato bags off him yesterday. Found them in his shed when he was tidying up. So I'm going to use that for the pumpkin. What I'm going to do is fill it with compost. Put it, look at them peas. Doing well, aren't they? Cracking on. So yeah, I'm going to fill it with compost at the bottom. I'm going to put a load of that pelleted chicken manure. Give it a good feed, and then once it's started and took off, I'll feed it with comfrey, which we've got up there. 2 big tubs. I don't know what to do with it. You just plonk it here, and then the van can go through there, and then all the leaves and the pumpkins inside there get dry and warm. I'll leave that propped up, obviously. Then we can keep it watered in the pot here. So I'll go and sort that bag out. In fact, I'll fetch it down here to do it, because I can't use handles on this bag. Yeah, I'll do it here. So I filled it about quarter way up, put some bloodfish and bone in. I've just filled it under about halfway up now. I'll just put all them chicken pellets in. Got mix all that in now. Those pumpkins are hungry plants. So, because this is laced up now. I'll keep it fed once a week and well watered. Should have a decent pumpkin, so I'll finish that off and get it down there. So there you go. That's where it's going. And then the van will go through there, obviously. Keep it nice and dry. We'll keep that nice and damp ready for when that pumpkin comes. There's plenty of food in for that. I'll water them in a minute. Again. So now I'm just topping these beds up in here now, ready for tomatoes. So it's only a couple of scoops on top of each. Top it right up, like that one. And then Bob's your uncle in here. These are for tumbling toms. Them two. Because they're getting pretty big now. So they'll go in there so they can hang over. And then can't have plum ones in here because they grow like a bush. So we'll have to have them plum ones in greenhouse, I think. And keep them trimmed down a bit. But we want vine ones in here. Cordons, sorry. Because we don't want all bushy in here. We just want one stem with tomatoes and not many leaves. But there you go. Anyway, I'll top these up while that kettle is boiling. Something serious going on up there. Right, them topped up now. So, used another 3/4 of a bag of compost on them. Goes nowhere, that compost. Anyway, there's another important job. Cracking on. So I've watered them peas, covered them up again. I won't get these bulbs in here now. But, I'm trying to fill this with bulbs so I don't have to keep weeding it. So there's 15 of them, rinky, I just came to with these. Quality spiders. So there's 13 of them now, and they're Persian buttercups. So I'll spread them about, and then we've got these mixed Sparaxis, red, orange, pink and white. Red, orange, pink, white and peach. We've got 2 bags of them. And then we've got these canna, there's 3 bulbs. Canna Firebird. They're big tall ones. So this would all double up them bulbs in here now, every year. So I'll get rid of some of this buttercup and plant some bulbs. Excuse me. Well, that's it. It's about 9:45. Well, it is quarter to 10. I've just watered them spuds. And them spuds over there. Henry's got to give them a good dosing tomorrow with horse pipe because it's on tomorrow. And all these onion beds, well, everything really. And all these butts need filling as well now. That one over there, I've not got the drill, so I can't do that one yet. But anyway, I've got one can of Firebird left, that's going home. Going in a pot at home. I'll put a few more bulbs in here, just to break it up. And the rest of the ones in there, so that's okay in there. I've watered up in there. Peas are covered back up. That compost for them, some of them spuds over there. They're going in them planters like this one. That one. So that should help them carrots in there. Let them buttercups dry up before I put them in compost, or else they just take off in there. Oh, I've got to water them before I go. I'll water them and then we'll have a look at them at home. Watering can. To this day again. Never stops this time of year. These things are just getting huge for these pots. You can see the roots coming out the bottom there. So they're ready for repotting. The thing about it is, I'm going to have to move that potting station and put all these big pots on here now because I've no space at all. Anyway, that's my problem. So I put a bit of that root booster in there. I'll do exactly the same and just pot them up. It's getting boring this now, isn't it? I'll pop them in there. I don't know what we've got, but we'll sort them out. I'll let you know when I've sorted them out. There you go. I'm just doing these, and if you look at that, that's a perfect root system. It's just before it started wrapping round. That's where you want it now. When I put that in there, near that root booster, they'll just take off. But that's the root ball you want. There you go. Let's get them finished. So there you go. Potting bench has been sacrificed for now because I need this space. So all these are in the big pots now. Giant, Roma, Giant, Giganteo, Giant Pumpkin, Alicante, that's doing well, isn't it? Giant, another one. Another Giganteo, hang on, we had a Roma somewhere. What's that Roma then? Hang on a minute. Oh, the Roma, yeah. Sorry. So giant Roma, Giant Pumpkin, Giganteo, Alicante, and another Giant. And I've got these soaking there, just in water. Rainwater it at boat. Sorry, big spin that one. Yeah, they look good in there now, don't they? So these here will be our next ones to be potted up. They're tumbling tom, but they're going in an hanging basket, so they're just getting the roots at the bottom there, so they'll need potting up. And then these are okay, they're just growing nice and slow up top. All our normal tomatoes and peppers, and we don't need them yet. But these, they can just grow on in here. And peas are coming on now, the sweet peas. That's our other pumpkin, it's doing alright now, it's just taken off. Them loofahs are just coming too now. That's a cucumber. These are loofahs. Them two cucumbers. We've got another couple of cucumbers somewhere. Only small. Oh, them beans, where's them beans gone? Beans and beet, there we go. So they're looking okay, aren't they? I'll give them the green leaves on there. Got another one here. Yard long bean. And they're just growing nice and slow under there. So what I'll do, I'll drop these down to the, then they don't grow as high because the light won't be over them. But I'll just leave something on there to stop the light going down. Just to keep them down a bit for a couple of weeks till we get them up the allotment. So there, that was the job today anyway. So, Luke Belton, we'll make a brew now. I've finished watering these. I'm going to have a cig and a brew on that bench over there, or maybe that one over there, or maybe this one here. Who knows? Not see you tomorrow anyway because I'll be at work. So, see you next week. There's plenty going on up that allotment. See you later.